Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. Today, I managed to recover from a $300 loss back to a positive $50 plus. And I'm going to show you guys the three trades that got me there. The first trade was a loss. The second trade was break even, meaning that I made $0. It did go in favor, but I was just away from my computer. And then I came back and I was like, man. Then the third trade was a nice trade. So let's show you guys those trades and then let's break them down and show you guys exactly why we entered. So I'll see you guys in there, but let's watch these live trades. Okay, so we're taking our first trade here, break and retest on the first 15 minutes of market being open. Now, this is a risky trade, but we're still going to take it here. Very simply, mark them open on New York City session open. Nice little push to the upside above this little level. And then here we are just capturing that pullback retest on the 2-minute time frame. Now, it honestly looks very ugly. You can see on the 1 hour time frame here. I mean, it's ugly. But we're still going to trade it. We're going to trade that. We're going to get that.
Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sound.
All right, guys. So we did just get stopped out here on this trade. Now, I did try to take the break and retest of the most previous high area right here. As you can see, basically just pre-market highs. But it did not work. So we did get stopped out right here. And we are going to just look for another trade if there is another trade. But you can see my orders. I entered on this candle. And it kind of just chopped around until we got that nice reject candle here and got clapped. So we're down 306, 153 times 2 accounts, which we're not even trading our funded accounts since we don't trust this kind of market lately. So it's totally okay. It's evaluations. But we're going to go ahead and still continue playing some music and let's see what else. Let's see what other trades we can catch. I'm going to slap a short here on some gold. Now I did tap this Fibonacci retracement to the downside, so we are going to take 2 and we're going to set a stop loss, of course. So we did take 150 on that trade. We're going to probably stop out for another 150 here for a nice drop to the downside. And actually, let me put these contracts to the left. I hate how it looks. Guys, I just came back from taking a massive dump in the bathroom. I cannot believe I missed out on that move. I definitely would have taken that. So we're going to take this break even. And I'm actually kind of like, wow. So we are max scalping. And we are even going to take this. We're going to take this one here. It's going to be a little bit of a risky one. You can see market pushed up, rejected this area. And so guess what, guys? We're going to take it. We're going to at least start with 3 of them. So that was how I was able to recover from a losing day. Now, I do have the opportunity to trade again. So honestly, do I want to take that risk? Hell yeah. Let's go. So what we're going to do is slap some longs here on MES, and we're just going to see how this one goes. And how much are we going to lose? Again, typically we like to lose 150. On this one, I'm willing to probably lose like 200. Reason why is because I'm already at $46. So if I lose 200, that'll probably put me down like 160. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how this one goes. Reason why we're in this trade is very simply, it does look like it does want to continue on up. Looks like, obviously we try to take the first long here, then it bounced. Now here we are again. So I don't necessarily want to take a short because what I would be expecting is another red candle. Essentially, I'm actually expecting a push. So let's see how this one goes. Plus on the 4 hour, it does look very chopped. But I think, why would I take a short, I think it's definitely bullish. So we just printed on MES, as you guys saw there, for a nice pump to the upside. You guys can see my orders right there at the middle of this candle. What I'd like to do is let's check this out. So here's the 2-minute time frame. I entered 5 contracts in the middle of this candle here, sold at the very 3/4 of the candle up here. So
Nice little gains. We're gonna end it here for sure.
We ended up risking, and we made money. $189 times two accounts puts us up at $379, guys. We're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this maxing series, scalp maxing series. All it means is we go in and out quickly, fast. 5 contracts, 10 contracts, 3 contracts. We don't know. We don't care. We just enter them. If it looks good, we enter more. If it looks bad, maybe 3, maybe 2, maybe 1. Who knows? Either way, we made some great cash today. Let's continue on and let's trade tomorrow. It's almost Friday. Let's go.